Hey there, Bikeaholics, Ryan Urlacher here. In this detailed tutorial, I'll walk you through the removal and installation of a Batwing fairing on 2023.5 and newer Harley-Davidson models featuring the redesigned fairing. Oh, and if you find value in this free video and my mission to help bikers worldwide, please consider supporting us by shopping in the Law Abiding Biker store. We're constantly adding biker-approved products, and unlike the big corporate stores, we genuinely care about taking care of you. All right, let's get wrenching. We're going to have to get this fairing removed, and there's 3 different bolts, and the first one, just turn your mirror. You can see it's right up top there, and that is a Torx T27 that he's going to be using. You can see that one's real long there. All right, and from there we'll move down up underneath the right side here, and that's just a Torx T27 on a socket extension there. You can go ahead and back that one out. You can see it's a bit shorter. From there, we'll move to the very bottom of the right side of the fairing here. And you see that one's a longer one. So just remember to put these back in the correct way. Your 2 long ones go top and very bottom, and in the middle is your shortest one. And last, on each side is a plastic rivet with a Phillips screwdriver. You can back that out. And it is plastic. And which is something like a plastic trim tool, so you don't mar anything. He's just going to back the rest of that rivet base out there. All right, and you're just moving around to the left side here, and it's the same exact process, the 3 bolts and the 1 plastic rivet. All right, moving on in, we're going to remove the windshield here, and that is a Torx T25. Pretty basic. You've got 2 bolts, top and bottom, each side of the windshield there. Just moving up to the top one there. All right, just moving over to his last one. You don't have to worry about the windshield falling because you've got little hooks here. And with that, you can go ahead and just slide the windshield up and out of the way here. And there's 2 bolts here on your windshield blocks and 2 on the left side, of course. Torx T27. Moving on up to the other one there. And we'll move over to the left side and remove those 2 also. Got his last one removed there. And with those bolts removed, you can go ahead and lift this windshield panel out of the way. All right, and to get this air deflector removed, there's 1 bolt. You can expose it like so. Torx T25 is what he's going to use to get that off of there. And he'll finish getting that out of there with a magnet tool. All right, both sides of the wind deflector. Back in here, you've got little white tabs, and you'll see them back in there. You'll just want to grab a pry tool of any kind. We're using a plastic one so we don't mar anything. And you're just going to push on the back of that white tab, and that will pop that side out, and then we'll move to the other side. Once those are popped, you can go ahead and remove the wind deflector. So we've got 2 more bolts that are holding this fairing on, and right up there, that's a Torx T27 that he's working on, 1 of those on each side. And he is pushing up against the fairing, holding it, because with the release of these 2 last bolts, it is going to release the whole fairing, so you don't want it to drop off, of course. And he's moving over, and that is his last one, and that's going to release the entire front fairing here. With those 2 bolts removed, you can go ahead and rock the fairing off there. Don't forget, it is wired behind there, the headlight, so we're going to have to remove that. Got a rag on the fender so we don't scratch it up. And inside the fairing is your main headlight plug, just a push and pull plug there. And with that, you can go ahead and remove the fairing off of there. All right, just real quick, we'll get right back into your video. As you can imagine, a ton of man hours, expenses, and effort go into keeping this channel going strong. There is a way you can support us by becoming a patron member, and there's benefits for doing so, such as t-shirts and stickers. You get access to the private Facebook group. It's a troll-free zone. It is nothing but bikers helping and connecting with other bikers in there. You get access to live video broadcasts and chat, podcasts early, premium videos upon request, and of course, access to all the ride, meetup, and events. We really appreciate you considering becoming a member. We'd love to get to know you better. All right, let's get back into your video. Back on with the fairing, you just kind of set it on the ledge here, the bottom of it, because we got to plug in that headlight. And we'll go ahead and get that plugged back in. And you can rock his fairing up into place there. And Torx 27, 2 up top to get started. Just setting his air deflector back in place there, or vent if you will. And the 1 T Torx 25 bolt goes up there. Going back on with his windshield panel and blocks there, it sets in place. And the 4 bolts that we took out there, back in the windshield block there, 2 on each side, and that's a Torx T27 on those. And back on with the windshield there, and remember, just 4 bolts here, and he'll tighten those down with a Torx T25. And on each side you have your plastic rivet there, and you finish it off with your Phillips screwdriver and your plastic rivet screw. Remember, on the inside of your fairing on each side, you've got 2 long, that's top and bottom, and the short one goes in the center position. And he'll finish all those off with a Torx T27.